Welcome to A&B Private Tutors. My name is Annie, and I specialize in helping students reach their highest potential on the MCAT. Join me in this journey to reach your goals, and let's make your dream of becoming a doctor a reality. Let's get started. Today, I want to talk to you about the nephron. This is one of the most high-yield parts of MCAT biology, but can also be one of the most daunting to students. While there is incredible complexity to the nephron, for the MCAT, I really want you to focus on the major portions that I'm going to talk to you about today. First of all, what is the nephron? So I've pulled up a picture here where I've drawn the nephron in a more stretched out form. That way we can see all the parts of it. The nephron itself is the functional unit of the kidney and is really critical to filtering blood plasma. The nephron is going to receive blood through this structure called the glomerulus. From here, the blood plasma will be forced out and then into an area called the proximal convoluted tubule. But we're really going to focus in on this step here. This is the loop of Henle. And this is very important in terms of the MCAT. The loop has two portions, a descending and an ascending portion. First, what is the nephron? The nephron is a functional unit of the kidney and is critical for filtering blood plasma and secreting waste products. The nephron receives blood plasma through a structure known as the glomerulus. In the glomerulus, the blood plasma will be forced out of capillaries, and we'll now refer to it as the filtrate. The filtrate will move through an area called the proximal convoluted tubule. From here, it'll move to the most important part of the nephron in terms of the MCAT, and that is the loop of Henle. The loop of Henle has a very interesting structure. You can see it has a descending portion and an ascending portion, and these two sides of the loop of Henle work slightly differently. On the descending side, the loop is only permeable to water. And on the ascending side, it is only permeable to sodium. And specifically on this side, we will also have active transport of sodium out of the loop of Henle. And this is really important because as we pump sodium out actively, this will encourage water on the descending side of the loop of Henle to leave the loop. As this occurs, the filtrate will become more and more concentrated, and from there it will move up into the distal convoluted tubule, or the DCT. And from here, it will move into a structure called the collecting duct. And this is the other important part of the nephron in terms of the MCAT. This is the area where the hormone ADH can act on. And ADH, if you remember from your studying, is the hormone that signals whether to secrete or retain water and can thereby influence blood pressure by increasing the overall blood volume if we were to retain water. With this review, hopefully you have a better understanding of the nephron and the important details that you need to understand for the MCAT. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful in your MCAT preparation journey. If you have any further questions or concerns about how to prepare effectively for the MCAT, please schedule a free consultation with me using the link in the description. Also, please subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks to get into medical school. Good luck on your exam.